Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to repair your Windows 11 using the bootable USB. So I'm using here the virtual machine to show you all the details here. If you are stuck on this screen like your PC device needs to be repaired or automatic repair loop or your PC ran into a problem loops, so best solution is to make a bootable pen drive and repair your Windows. So in order to repair your Windows and make a bootable pen drive, you need to have a working computer, arrange a working computer, and once you arrange a bootable USB pen drive as well as the working computer, you need to go to Windows 11 website and just go to Windows 11 download media, select the ISO file and simply click on download. Choose the language and simply download this ISO file. Once ISO file is downloaded, you need to make sure that you only go to the Microsoft official website. I'm showing you the official website here and it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Second software you need to have is Rufus. Download this Rufus software. Scroll down. This will help us to make a bootable pen drive. Look for this option standard version exe. And once this exe is downloaded and close the advertisement, I have already downloaded that, but just to show you, you need to also download both the ISO file as well as the Rufus. Once both are downloaded on your computer, the working computer you have, you need to open your Rufus software and insert your pen drive into the computer. Just make a double click on this exe and it will automatically detect your USB pen drive here. I have created this virtual drive. This is not the physical one, but I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable pen drive. So insert your USB here and it will be automatically shown here. Then you need to select the ISO file here. So select ISO file, click on select option and Windows 11 latest I have already downloaded that. You need to select the location, then click on open. And once you do the same setting, choose the default partition as GPT, UEFI, file system NTFS and click on start. And you can remove these or whatever you like. Just click on OK and click on OK. All the data will be lost from your pen drive, so make sure you back up your data before proceeding this on your computer. And this will copy all the files and will make your bootable pen drive. Okay, so once bootable pen drive is made, you need to insert into the non-working computer this bootable pen drive. It's ready now, you can see. Close it and now you can see the it's made successfully. So you can insert into the non-working computer like this option. Okay, and you need to shut down this computer now and you need to boot from your pen drive. So I'm closing this virtual machine. Just shut down your computer completely and then you need to turn it on. Now turn on your computer and once it is turned on, you need to press bootable key on your computer. Bootable key could be delete key, F12 key, escape key, that you need to figure it out. You can simply search on the Google. Now press any key to reboot the machine, as I have done that. And once you boot from your pen drive, you need to click on next, then click on next, and you need to click on repair my computer or previous setup of Windows. So let's select this and click on next. Choose the language to US. Now we have booted from USB pen drive. Go to troubleshoot. Then first step, you need to click on this option, startup repair. Just try to click on that option, choose your operating system target, and now this will try to diagnose your PC. If that is failed and unable to fix your issue, you can click on startup, troubleshoot, and we can open the command prompt here. It is asking to recovery key here. Skip this drive. So once you open the command prompt, you need to type here command sfc space / scan now, and this will fix your issue related to corruption in your Windows. Now you can see it has repaired some corruption, but next command you need to type here is boot rec space / scan os. Press enter key and successfully install Windows 11. Total identify Windows installation. Just next command is boot rec space / fix mbr. Next command is boot rec space / fix and boot this time. Next command is boot rec space / rebuild bcd and press the enter key. Now we need to type here exit and continue with Windows 11, or you can turn off your PC. So let's try to continue with Windows 11. And you can see here it has repaired the Windows 11. Now it's again come to same page here and choose your the same current edition you have, then click on next, then click on accept, and you need to select here the carefully option. Now this option will reinstall the Windows on same drive, but will keep your data as it is with the help of bootable pen drive. But all the software which you have installed will be wiped out and will be deleted, but your personal data will be saved. So you can select the same C drive where the Windows is installed, and then you need to click on next option. And since my drive is encrypted here, so it is not showing to run it. So I have made it as unallocated, then click on next. Install window, keep nothing. It is showing up in my Windows. Now this is installing Windows 11 on the PC, and by these solutions your issue should fix. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.